This is Math Connect, and for today's video, we are going to find the value of x in the given equation. If you want to try, please pause the video. Does your solution look like this? I got you a simpler one. So in this case, it looks very complicated. There are lots of radical signs. So radical signs within the radical sign within the radical sign. So how do we approach this? So remember that the square root of everything in here is 3. So what do you think is the number that when you find the square root, let's say y, the answer is 3. Okay, that is right. That is square root of 9. Because square root of 9 is 3. So that means everything here is square root of 9. Okay, so but in this case, we already have 5 in our radicand. So how much do we need to make it a 9? So that is 4. So that means this one right here, square root of 5 plus square root of 5 plus x is equal to 4. Okay, so we are able to remove the radical sign now here by just using logic. We will use the same approach in removing the next radical sign. So what do you think is the number when you get the square root? The answer is 4. The answer is correct. That is square root of 16. So square root of 16 is 4. So that means everything here is 16. But we already have a 5. So how much do we need to make it a 16? Okay, that is correct, 11. So this means this one right here, square root of 5 plus x, is actually 11. Okay, we're almost there. We're down to the last radical sign. So the last step is we can square both sides. Okay, so we can eliminate the radical sign and we are left with 5 plus x. And to simplify 11 squared, or to expand 11 squared, remember that the exponent tells us how many times we multiply the base by itself. So that means 11 times 11. Again, this is 11 times 11. And 11 times 11 is 121. Okay, we're almost there in finding the value of x. So to find the value of x, we just have to isolate x by subtracting 5 on both sides. And so 5 minus 5 is 0, and then we can bring down x here, and then we have 121 minus 5 is 116. So we got our answer. X is equal 116.